The technique or experiment is done in a way where we can accept nothing negative happened to a person going through the experiment. With the lower temperature, a human's metabolism naturally decreases and they fall unconscious into a state where they can survive, but it is not certain or correct that they die in the state. So choice A given as coitus and choice C given as paresis, mean death and partial paralysis, are incorrect because an experiment is started with all precautions needed and confirmed. So havoc as choice B and mayhem as choice E also incorrect as it is irrelevant to be destructive or have destruction in the state of being unconscious. So choice B and choice E are also incorrect and eliminated along with choice A and choice B. On the other hand, choice D as torpor means lethargy or a state of physical or mental inactivity, which exactly merge with the sense to make to fit the blank with respect to the technique applied in the space. So the correct answer is choice D.